If you look up UX design on LinkedIn at the entry level, you're going to see about 16,000 results, which is pretty good. And again, this is another one where it's not always called like UX design, right? There's a bunch of different words for it, but there is a good amount of demand for this one, especially for something that's kind of art related. Now, if you look up UX designer on Glassdoor, you're going to see they make about $97,000 a year. And UI designers make even more at about $100,000 a year. And again, like I said before, there's a bunch of different names for this. So for instance, UX researchers make about $99,000 a year. Now, with that being said, with this one, it is going to be inherently more difficult to get kind of like an art-related career just because of the fact that so many other people want to get those types of careers, right? The supply and demand is not going to be nearly as off as it is with some of the other careers on this list. But this is a great way for you to kind of dip your toe into UX design, see if it's something you want to do. And if you are able to get the certificate, it is going to set you apart quite a bit. Now, I have made a ton of videos about people who are artistic and want to get into artistic careers or start their own artistic side hustles. And I plan on making even more videos about that in the future. So if you don't want to miss out on that, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. So the Google UX design certificate, I'm going to give this one A tier status.